Welcome back, Sharks. We have an amazing show for you today. If you're looking for a hands-on art class, take a look at ceramics.
Ceramics is to be one of the greatest forms of art ever known, whether it's through its pottery or the sculptures that can be made. Santiago offers this through Ceramics 1 and Ceramic 2.
My favorite part of ceramics is being able to just work on something and talk with new people that you meet and see what they're doing, and it's just really fun overall.
It's a fun way to express your creativity and using clay.
It's a craft present in every culture on this planet.
So the advantages of taking ceramics is that you get to take care of your credits for art and being able to just meet new people and do something really creative.
I think the advantages of this class is that I really get to broaden my learning perspective on how to sculpt clay, how to throw it on a wheel, all the techniques I can use to make projects. And I get to learn all about glazing and the different types and how they can go on and what they turn out to be like.
We have so many great clubs on campus. Here's a spotlight on the Tabletop Club.
Hello, I'm here to introduce you to one of the clubs we have on campus, Tabletop Club, located at J104. Tabletop Club is a place where you can come in and play any game that is, played on a tabletop. You can play anything you want at Tabletop Club as long as it takes place on a table, and a lot of people play D&D, some people play board games like Sorry or Monopoly, or even card games like Magic the Gathering or Go Fish, even. I feel that clubs like Tabletop are important because it allows people a place to group together socially in a specific hobby. It's just a fun thing for people to do, and a lot of times, school can be stressful, and having a place after school where you can come and hang out with friends doing something specific that you wouldn't be able to just set up on your own can be really freeing for a lot of people. So that's why I'm proud to be the president of this club, and I feel like more people should join or make clubs like this.
The talent show is the highlight of the year for our student performers. Here's all the info you need. Hey Sharks, this Tuesday, February 25th is the annual Santiago Talent Show. Support your fellow Sharks while they show off their unique skills. Come to cheer on your favorite acts as they display all their hard work. Tickets are on sale at the door, $5 with ASB, $8 without. And now it's time for extra announcements.
This week is Performing Arts Week, 24th through the 29th. On Tuesday, there's a talent show at 7 p.m. in the theater. On Wednesday, Best Buddies is in the Shark Tank at lunch. Thursday, seeing USC Spelling Bee in the theater 4:30 to 8 o'clock. Saturday, Girls Soccer CAF Championship game at Warren High School.
Thanks for joining us, Sharks. We'll see you next time.
It's always the same as always.